A little Deniseology for you. Today, let's talk about counting your blessings. There's so many times that you get negative and things get you down, but you know what? What I want you to do is try to count your blessings. If you could write on a piece of paper all the great things about your life, and it probably has nothing to do with money or your appearance, it has more to do with love, your friendship, good health, and your family. That comes first. So if you can write down those little count your blessings and take it out when you start to feel bad or depressed or down, it helps you to get through the day. So remember, try to count your blessings each and every day. God gave us a wonderful life and it's all worth living. I want everyone to enjoy their day and really think about trying to take care of your body. Try to eat well today, try to get good night rest, and try to exercise on a regular basis. So try to be positive and count your blessings each and every day, and I'll see you right here on the Daily Workout. Bye-bye.